if you want to use visual intelligence on iPhone 17e, we have a couple of ways that allow you to activate visual intelligence. First of all, we want to make sure that Apple Intelligence is enabled. So if we go to settings, then over here we can proceed to Apple Intelligence and Siri, and over here, of course, we need to turn it on. Now, we can go to the control center, for example, and in the control center, we can add the visual intelligence button. So if we tap on this plus in the upper left corner, then we should be able to add a control. And now in here, we need to find the visual intelligence option, which should be in the Apple Intelligence and Siri. So over here, we have visual intelligence. I'm just gonna add it over here, and there we go. So now I should be able to tap on this button in order to immediately open the visual intelligence. Over here we can press continue and we can start using it quite easily. We should be able to use the camera in order to point at something and I guess use the visual intelligence to get more information about the object, subject, person, whatever. And besides that, what we can also do is we can assign the action button, or actually the visual intelligence can be assigned to the action button. So to do so, we're gonna go back to settings, and then in settings we need to go to the action button, and then in here we should be able to find the visual intelligence. So after that, if you press and hold the action button, we should be able to open visual intelligence and use it quite easily. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.